Hi, I'm Jason, and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about simple, real ways to start earning from home, without the hype or the headache. I keep everything budget-friendly, so anyone can follow along, even if you're just getting started. Inside, you'll discover the tools I use to help me with tracking, follow-ups, automation, and more, tools that free up your time and help make your business run smoothly. Disclaimer: all content on this channel is for educational purposes only. I don't guarantee results or income. Your success depends on your own effort, consistency, and willingness to take action. Some links may be affiliate links, which means I may earn a small commission if you choose to make a purchase through them. This helps support the channel and keeps the content free for you. Before you go, do me a small favor. If you found value here, hit subscribe and tap the bell so you don't miss the next tip. It's completely free and really helps the channel grow. Click the first link in the description. It'll take you straight to my step-by-step funnel setup, so you can start building multiple income streams today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.